Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're jumping right into the video. As you can see by the title of the video, this is going to be a watch me fill up lip gloss tubes. And make sure you click the subscribe button if you guys like these type of videos, and turn on your notifications so you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. Right now I'm just mixing up the glosses. I was already making lip gloss before I decided to record. So then I was like, why not just film myself filling up lip gloss tubes, because I love watching those types of videos, like I was saying. But yeah, now I'm mixing up my lip gloss in the color Shelly, or that's the name. It's a red lip gloss obviously, but this is the lip gloss I have called Shelly, named after my mom. And yeah, I'm just preparing my pipettes to fill up some lip gloss. And did I say syringes or pipettes? I'm cutting my pipettes to attach them to prepare my syringes to fill up the tubes. There we go. And then I'm just getting a little piece of tape and putting that around each syringe and pipette just to secure it in place. And I had to take my glove off because the glove, or the tape, kept getting stuck to the glove, and that was super annoying. So yeah, it would be so nice if I had some extra hands to help me, but I'm doing this all by myself, so you know, making it work. And I threw that glove away, and now I'm putting on a new one, a fresh one. And I'm starting off with my Angel Aura lip gloss. I just love watching the lip gloss get scooped into the syringe. It's just so satisfying. Like every time I pick it up and swirl it, it reminds me of like when I used to do waxing when I was in school. And I used to love waxing. It was so much fun. But yeah, ooh, look at that. Ooh, I did it in reverse just because I loved how it looks so much. But yeah, I hope this video is satisfying for you guys, because it's super satisfying for me. And now this is my vanilla latte lip gloss, but I had already made these glosses off camera. There's 5 colors total that I'm showing you guys today when I'm filling up the tubes. But yeah, this is my vanilla latte nude lip gloss. And yeah, this has been definitely a bestseller. And this is my chocolate truffle lip gloss. The chocolate truffle is coconut vanilla scented. It smells like cocoa butter. It smells so good. It looks like melted chocolate on the lips, literally. And all these glosses are available on the website right now as we speak. And this pink lip gloss, I don't know why on camera it looks so bright. It looks kind of neon on camera, which it's not as bright as it looks on camera. Am I saying that right? Yeah. But anyways, that's my rose quartz lip gloss, the pink one. And now we're just filling up the tubes. Today we're only going to be filling up squeeze tubes because I was still waiting for my wand tubes to come in the mail. Like, oh my gosh, it took like almost a month to come in the mail. It was ridiculous. I was so tired of waiting. But yeah, so I was just restocking my squeeze tubes because I was running low, like low. Yeah, I'm just letting you guys enjoy the process of me filling up the tubes. And I was filling up 2 different size squeeze tubes. I have my slim squeeze tubes, and my thick squeeze tubes. I don't know why I got tongue-tied just now, but yeah. This pink lip gloss, my rose quartz, is strawberry scented. She smells so good. And my Shelly lip gloss is tropical punch scented. And I was just kind of going back and forth. I didn't really have an organized way I was filling up the tubes. I just knew I wanted to fill up all these colors, so I just started filling up the syringes, and I was restocking. So I wasn't really specific on how many, because I know some of you guys ask me how many lip glosses should you make, but all of these colors were pretty much sold out, so I wanted to make sure I restocked a good amount of glosses to have them available for you guys. And yeah, right now I'm running a sale. All lip glosses and accessories, the single ones, because I do offer duos now, they're all buy 2 get 1 free, and you can mix and match. You can get lip glosses and accessories on the buy 2 get 1 free deal. And yeah, that will be valid until this Friday. Today's Wednesday, and we're uploading today on Wednesday, and it'll be yeah, the offer ends. I don't know why I keep getting tongue-tied. I haven't did a voiceover in a while, but yeah, the sale ends on Friday at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you click the link in the description box below to shop the sale to support me and my business. And I also have a new item that I'll be releasing on Saturday, and I'm super excited. Some of you guys might already know what it is because I posted it on my community page. I just didn't say what it is, but if you guys, know about the lip gloss business and you've been doing a lot of research, you guys will know exactly what I'm dropping, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys, really find use out of the product that I'll be releasing. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'll link my video on how to make this glitter lip gloss and nude lip glosses in the iCards. Glitter lip glosses and nude lip glosses have definitely been trending, so I hope those videos are helpful to you guys. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys for continuing to encourage me and to believe in me. And here are some of the lip swatches from the glosses shown in today's video. This is my Rose Quartz, my pink lip gloss that's strawberry scented. My Shelly lip gloss, which is tropical punch scented, and you can build her up to make her more red. My vanilla latte, my nude lip gloss, and she's vanilla scented. And here is chocolate truffle, looks just like melted chocolate and smells like cocoa butter. And then my angel aura, she's super glittery but goes on clear, and she's cotton candy scented. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys liked the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up if this was satisfying for you. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you guys can be notified. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, on my personal page and my business page at Shelly's Daughter and Shelly's Daughter Beauty. I will have the video on how I wash my lip gloss tube linked in the iCards right here, so you guys can check that out. Right now I'm just kind of showing you guys the lip glosses. These are all the ones I made that particular day. It was like almost 50 glosses that I filled up. And yeah, this is like a little clip of the gloss bath itself, but I'll have that video linked like I said. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.